The 2-minute rule, how to stop procrastinating on small tasks instantly. You see a small task. Reply to that email. File that document. Schedule that meeting. And you think, I'll do it later. Then later becomes tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes next week. Meanwhile, that tiny task is still taking up space in your head, quietly draining your focus every single time you remember it. This is mental clutter, and it compounds fast. There's a simple fix. It comes from David Allen's Getting Things Done system. The 2-minute rule: if a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it right now. Don't schedule it. Don't write it down. Just do it immediately and move on. Here's why this works. Every open task in your mind is an open loop. Your brain keeps revisiting it to make sure you haven't forgotten. The more open loops you have, the more cognitive load you carry. And processing a task, writing it down, scheduling it, revisiting it, often takes longer than just doing it. The 2-minute rule closes the loop instantly, freeing your mental RAM for what actually matters. Think of it as a cognitive hygiene habit. Here are 4 tasks that almost always qualify. Reply to a short email, under a minute. Refill your water bottle, 30 seconds. Add a meeting to your calendar, 1 minute. Drop a file in the right folder, 45 seconds. None of these deserve a place on your to-do list. They deserve to be done right now, the moment you notice them. The rule is not about being busy, it's about clearing small friction before it stacks up. Here is the decision you make every time a task appears. First, can I do this in under 2 minutes? If yes, do it now, close the loop, and keep moving. If no, then and only then do you schedule it, delegate it, or add it to your list. That's the entire system. A task either gets done immediately or gets properly organized. Nothing floats in limbo. One important warning: don't abuse the rule. It's easy to convince yourself that everything is just 2 minutes. Be honest. If it genuinely takes 5 minutes, it doesn't qualify. The rule is a filter for truly small tasks, not a license to context switch constantly or interrupt deep work. Protect your focus blocks. Apply the rule during transitions, not during your most productive hours. Here's how to start today. Right now, think of one small task you've been delaying. Something you can finish in under 2 minutes. Go do it, before you watch the next video, before you check your phone. Then notice how that small action feels. That sense of closure is the whole point. Do it enough times and it becomes instinct. Your mental inbox starts shrinking, and your focus starts sharpening. To recap, the 2-minute rule says if a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. It reduces mental clutter, eliminates decision fatigue on tiny tasks, and builds a habit of execution over delay. Use it for small, low-effort tasks during transitions. Don't apply it during deep work. And be honest about what actually takes 2 minutes. Small actions, done immediately, add up to a dramatically cleaner mind.